How to fill data in Excel using form. Hash to open Excel 1. Press Win plus R button 2. Click on search bar. 3. Type Excel 4. Click on OK. Make a headings for enter a data. To active a Form 1, go to Office button 2. Click on Excel option. 3. Click on Customize. Click on All command from Choose commands from. Choose Form from All command. Click on Add and click on OK. After Add Form, you will see the Form in Quick Access toolbar. Select a heading for Fill Data using Form. Click on Form and click on OK. You will see the form format. Fill the data in Form and click on New. Thank you for watching my video.